All right.
Cross face. Cool. Walk around. Okay. It's okay. I'll keep the leg. Yeah, keep the leg until you finish. Over here. Now, if you go here, it goes up. He goes up, then grab it here, and drop. Chin right here. Look at my chin. Where's that? That's where you want it, right here. If you're high, no. It'll be here. And then here, here, here. Okay? You got that so far? So right the leg. Come on across this. Sandwich the leg. Yeah. Double up. Walk it around. Yeah. Alright, good. Come back. If you're up and I go this way, then you underneath, right? Yeah. Chin down. And post. Leg up. Head one. You want to curve it that way? East, west, south. East, west, and north. North. This. Your leg, south, and the post. Yeah. So that this guy's covering this. And then now we have cross face. I'm going to do a cross face. Now I'm going to do this thing cross face. If I go like this, yeah, here, pull, keep the hand in the mat. Keep it as a poke, meaning it's like a poke, cemented, leave it there. Now you're going to bring your feet over. You're going to go up and punch down. So up, punch down. Hey, watch the. You're gonna go. You're gonna go up, down. All right. So you're gonna go. You're gonna go. So I go like this, right? And then he gets the leg out. He does that. See that? Yep. Put my hand here. My hand on the hand. And then I'll come here. Watch that. Put your step. My knees are supposed to be here, right? Up and spike down. So, kind of like I do. Up, spike. Like this, like a heart, like a beat. Yeah, just do it like a heartbeat, you know, like in the hospital. Do it well. Up, bam, down. Okay. I mean, you know what I'm saying. If I go like this, then post. Now bring your leg in, and lift up with your leg up, and then down. And lock down your hand, your wrist. Lock down your wrist. And then you drop it, make it back. And then you move your hand. Knee behind the rib. See how long? Right. Stretch. Bye, guys. Breathe in my hips. Bring my hands out. Like that, flat. Yeah? See if it's going, see if I'm winding my shoulders up. Because now move my hips away. Move your knee. Scoop. Yeah, like that. See that? Now you got your good side. Come back. This is where the camera can pick it up. Go ahead. Step. Lock up. You could. That's an easy break. Butterfly. Now, feet to feet. Hip to hip. Drop your head to the hip. No, drop your head. Yeah, okay. Go. Up. Bring it up. All right, come on. Fix it for 6. Now, knee in the rib. Stretch them. See that? Like that. Exactly. See the difference between that and back. Between this and stretch. See that? Like that? Yeah. That's what you want. By doing that, you drop my shoulder. Yeah. All right? Get that? All right? All right? So you're going to, by here, you're going to use, here. You're going to move your knee. Separate yourself. That brings his hips out and drops his shoulders down. back up and yeah, and then more, yeah. Yeah, right there. Okay? Also, now we're going to add, see if I can remember, I wanted to do a hidden arm from the butcher. Butcher? Yeah. But if I can remember how to, hang on, stay right there, real quick.